Picture this. You are walking through a park surrounded by lush green trees, feeling calm and serene. Then you pass a bright yellow billboard screaming 50% off shoes, and suddenly you are putting off your wallet. What just happened? That's the sneaky power of color. In this video, we are diving into world of color psychology, from cheerful yellow to moody blue, and learning how to use them to enhance your designs or just confuse your users. But don't do that. Let's get started. Yellow is like that overly enthusiastic friend who always shouting, "You have got this." It radiates happiness, optimism, and warmth, just like a sunshine. But be careful, too much yellow and you will go from cheerful to "why is the screen yelling at me?" Why we love it? Warmth. Yellow reminds us of sunny days and cozy vibes, making it perfect for creating welcoming designs. Optimism. It's a color equivalent of a pep talk. Attention grabbing, that's why the road signs use it. Yellow demands to be noticed. Tip: use yellow sparingly for elements like buttons or headlines. Don't overdo, or your user will squint harder than a cat staring at the laser pointer. Orange is like a hyperman. It's a bold, playful, and full of energy. The color screams excitement, like when you see orange sales tags on your favorite sneakers. It also has a cozy side, thanks to its autumn vibes. Think pumpkins, spice lattes, and flannel shirts. Why we love it? Excitement, perfect for sports team, brands, and anyone trying to say we are fun and awesome. Cozy, nostalgia. In the Western culture, orange brings up warm memories of the fall and good food. Visibility. You can't miss orange, which makes it great for call to action buttons. Tip: use orange to direct attention, but don't slap in everywhere, otherwise your design will look like a Halloween explode. Blue is the introverted of the color of world, calm, thoughtful, but sometimes a little melancholic. Light blue brings serenity, like looking at the ocean, but dark blues, they are more "I'm starting out a windows on a rainy day thinking about life." Why we love it? Calmness. Blue light is basically a deep breath in the color form. Professionalism. Dark blue says I'm reliable and good with a spirit cells. Emotionally rich. Blue connects deeply. Just ask Picasso during his blue period. Tip: avoid dual blues for CTAs. They will feel like a sad handshake at the networking event. Green is your yoga instruction, while light blue is a spa day you didn't know you needed. Together, they are creating a smooth experience perfect for healthcare, apps, or meditation websites. Dot colors reminds us of natural growth and calmness. Why we love it? Green is a color of plants, renewal, and the one house plant you haven't killed yet. Light blue. Think ocean waves, clear skies, and stress-free mind. Tip: use green and blues for project aiming at relations. They are the visual version of saying it's all going to be okay. Now blue, white, and gray work in the bar. Just kidding, they are never do that. Those colors are too busy managing portfolios and building trust. Now blue screams professionalism, while white and gray add clarity and balance. Why we love it? Now blue reliability and secure, perfect for banks and tech companies. White clean and simple, great for creating breathing room in a design. Gray natural and balanced with a dash of elegance. Tip: use those for corporate sites or anyone users need to feel secure, like yes, you can trust us with your life savings. Purple is like a mysterious cousin you only see at family reunions. Right into natural, purple has always been associated with wealth, creativity, and touch of magic. It's a bold and unique, a perfect choice for design that needs a little oomph. Why we love it? Imaginations is like a brain shouting, let's do something wide. Luxury. Historically, only the richest people can afford purple, so it still feels fancy. Tip. Use purple sparingly to avoid making your design look like a glitter factory exploded. Red is a diva of color spectrum. It grabs attention faster than a toddler spotting candy. It's associated with a danger, passion and appetite because who doesn't crave fries when they see a red logo? Why we love it? Agency. Red is a fantastic for alerts and warnings. Energy. It gets your blood pumping. Literally, it is increasing heart rate. Hunger. That's why every fast food chain loves it. Tip. Use red for critical actions, but don't make your entire site red, unless you are designing a fire alarm app. Brown is ultimate symbol on earth, evoking feelings of reliability, stability, and comfort. It's a color equivalent of a cozy part of hiking boots of a warm cup of coffee. No wonder brands like UPC, Hershey's, and JP Morgan use it to convey strange and trustworthiness. Brown tells your audience, I have got your back. Why we love it? Reliability. Brown exudes dependability, making it perfect for traditional and long-established brands. Earth connection is a natural choice for the brands tied to nature, agriculture or sustainability. Warmth. Brown feels familiar and comforting like your favorite chocolate bar. Tip. Use brown sparingly. It's easy to overdo and make the design feels dated. It's not balanced with a modern accent. Pair it with the lighter tones like a cream or beige for the grounded yet fresh look. In Western culture, pink has long been tied to femininity, softness, kindness, nurturing and compassion. But in the modern times, pink has become a versatility powerhouse of emotion. It's no longer confined to traditional genre roles and it's widely used for express warmth, romance and relations. Why we love it? Love and romance. Pink carries an inherent sweetness, making it ideal for design that evoke intimacy or care. Relations. Centered shadows of pink, like pastel or muted tones, can create a tranquil, rejuvenating atmosphere. Playful energy. Brighter pinks bring a joy and vibrance without overwhelming senses. Tip. Use soft pinks for wellness apps, child care service or the beauty brands. Avoid overrushing brighter tones as they can feel overly sugary and childish. And that's a wrap. Whether you are using green for calmness, purple for creativity or red for hey look here, colors are secret sauce for the great design. They influence emotion, decision and whether or not your user click that juicy buy button now. Got a favorite color hack? Drop in the comments below. And remember, life is too short for boring design. Stay colorful, my friend. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out the channel for more content. I'm Przemysław. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care, until next time.